Good morning, everybody. The dogs and I are off on an adventure with some friends today. We are heading out on a little day trip. We are going to see some of Alberta's biggest things. One of those is the Vilna large mushrooms. They're the largest mushrooms in the world. We're gonna go check those out along with another couple places, so follow along to see where we go today. The weather is -4 and very snowy. Very, very snowy. There we are. We are actually in a snowfall warning, but that's not scaring us away.
UFO landing pad. The world's first UFO landing pad, designed international by the town of St. Paul, designated international.
Keep going, Luna. So we are now in Bakerville at the Egg, and every stop we make, it keeps getting colder and colder. So Luna's now sweatered up, but everybody else is doing pretty good. Winter is officially here. One more stop. Where are we going? Well, this is the Monday sausage. And it's getting colder and colder and colder and colder. Mundair sausage. Well guys, this wraps up the video of our little adventure. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please hit subscribe, notifications on. Hope you guys stay warm today. Or if you're somewhere warm, I'm greatly jealous. Have a great week, everybody.